aglio e olio, and swordfish or chicken cutlets. So I'm taking 3 large eggs and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And we're making just that very traditional breading setup so that we can use the setup for both fish, swordfish in this case, seafood, and the chicken itself. So when it comes to the swordfish, I trim away the tough pieces of skin and any bit of a bloodline. A bloodline is a main vein that comes across the whole piece of swordfish. And as you can see, I've nicked it away there. Then you want to put it between parchment or plastic. Take a mallet and evenly and gently pound the fish or the chicken into cutlets. Okay, we're gonna season the fish or the chicken itself, just a little pinch of salt, little pinch of pepper, and I have a big old stack here. For the chicken, I cut the breast horizontally, and then I pounded it out so we get 2 cutlets from each breast. Now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons to, about 3/4 to a cup each of the fine breadcrumb and panko, and a couple of handfuls, about a half a cup of parm, and the zest of a lemon. This is for the pasta sauce. This is for the pasta itself. And then here, a large, shallow skillet. We can get hot now to make our cutlets. The oven is on warm 250, 275, and we have a transfer station ready and waiting to go. Put a couple at a time into our flour. Shake off the excess, transfer to egg. Shake off excess, transfer to breadcrumb. Moderate heat till golden on both sides. Keep warm in the hot oven. Keep going until you've browned all of your swordfish and all of your chicken. For our aglio e olio, and the first thing we do is add the anchovy so that it can melt in the oil. All right, we're salting the water for the dry pasta and adding that. It's the only chance we get to flavor the pasta itself. There you go. The anchovies literally melt right into the olive oil. So then we're going to add in 5 or 6 cloves of sliced garlic. And I have the lowest burner on the lowest heat. And we give that a swirl. And we give the pasta a toss. We're always going to undercook the pasta by 1 full minute at least for the package directions for al dente. Why? Because we have carryover cooking when we add the pasta to the sauce. We also reserve about 1 full cup of the pasta water to marry the sauce to the pasta. When the garlic's been in there a minute or 2, we add about 3/4 of a cup or 3 turns of the can of our vermouth. In the meantime, for our raw sauce, I took a few tomatoes, 3 or 4 vine or Roma. Any kind of tomato looks best. Okay, I chopped them. I grated with my zester grater. I grated 1 clove of garlic. We're going to add a handful or a couple of tablespoons of chopped tarragon. And then we take 1 small shallot, finely chopping it and adding that. And this is our raw sauce for garnish. Into our sauce, we're adding butter and the juice of a lemon, cut side up so the seeds stay with the lemon. So now, all of our pasta to all of our sauce, starchy cooking water, lots of parsley. Our pasta has absorbed that glorious flavor. And then alongside, swordfish or chicken cutlets. And then we top that with our raw sauce.